Hi guys, welcome to Kaizen Studio. My name is Omkar and today we'll be editing this image in Adobe Lightroom Classic. So guys, stay with me till the end of this video. I usually edit photos which are clicked by me, but because of this 8 months long lockdown, I was not able to travel a lot. So I decided to download image from unsplash.com and make it more appealing. Here we have a very beautiful image of one of the 7 wonders of the world, that is the Taj Mahal. I feel that this image is very beautiful, but something more can be done to this image so that the colors in it pop up and the image looks more appealing. So without wasting much of our time, let's roll the intro and head towards my desktop. So guys, first of all, I am going to remove people from the image using clone tool so that the focus is on the subject, that is the Taj Mahal, and we do not want any diversion in this image. One thing to note here while using the clone tool is that as compared to the image size, the size of the people is very small, so you don't have to be very precise while doing this. Now I want to give the image a look as if the image was clicked in a sunny morning, so I'll be adjusting the exposure accordingly. I'll be adjusting the saturation and exposure of the sky and the Taj Mahal using selective gradient tool. Then I'll be adjusting the saturation of specific colors. I'll be adding shadows to the other side of the Taj Mahal where the sunlight is not hitting. And then the vignette effect. I'll be increasing the sharpness in the image. I also see color noise in the image when I added the vignette effect, so I'll be adjusting the same by increasing the color noise reduction under the details tab. Then comes my favorite part, and that is playing with the curves. And here we have this beautiful edited image. So guys, this is it for today. I hope this video was very informative and you guys liked it. If yes, then hit the like button and do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So guys, if you have any query or regarding photo or video editing or any suggestions, you can directly DM me on Instagram because I am active a lot on Instagram. Also, do not forget to watch my Photoshop tutorial videos which I upload every week, and you can learn Adobe Photoshop right from the basics. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye and have a great life.